Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this Friday evening. I hope everybody's having a great evening out there so far, and hope everybody's staying safe and well, and hope you had a great Friday as well. I hope everybody has a great weekend because we kick off the weekend now and go till Sunday. Okay. In today's video, we're going to talk about the weather charts for your weekend outlook, Saturday and Sunday. We're going to take a look at the weather radar across the lower 48. We're going to take a look at the National Weather Service Watch and Warning Advisory. And also we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center Day 1, 2, and 3 outlook for your local area and see where the severe weather will be kicking up this evening, all the way through Sunday. Alrighty then. Well, let's go ahead and get on into the forecast now. But before we do that, consider subscribing to my channel. Love to have you. Like the videos and share the videos. Alrighty. We're gonna start off with the weather chart. This is for your Saturday, March 25th. We got high pressure over the northeast. We got mixed precipitation extending from a portion of Maine all the way down into a portion of New York, maybe around the Maryland area, all the way back over into Wisconsin, and also all the way back into Kansas City, and also over into Nebraska, with some pockets of freezing rain, also into the portion of Michigan and Toronto, Canada, extending from up here near Ohio, all the way back to the Carolinas, Georgia, southern Florida, all the way back into Mississippi ahead of a cold front. Will sweep through the area later during the day on Saturday. We have over here in the west, we got snow and mixed precipitation flying from near Denver, Colorado, back into a portion of Montana. Also over in Oregon, mixed precipitation. That's snow flying in that vicinity. Mixed precipitation stemming from northern California, all the way up into Seattle, Washington, and the Vancouver area of Canada. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at day 3 outlook. This is Sunday, March 26th. Still got mixed precipitation and snow flying over the northeast from Maine back into New York State. Shower thunderstorms extending from the southeast mid-Atlantic back into the south and southeast United States. There's a cold front draped across the area. We have showers over Missouri, portion of Ohio. Mixed precipitation for portion around Chicago, back through Iowa, back into Kansas City. Also, we have snow showers flying around Denver, Colorado, back into Montana, all the way back over in Idaho. Also, in portion of northern Nevada and northern Utah. Also, we have showers also over here, and showers and mixed precipitation extending from northern California all the way back up to Vancouver, Canada, and into the Seattle, Washington region. Excuse me. All right, let's take a look at the weather radar here. We'll take a look at that. We got quiet conditions over the northeast, mid-Atlantic region. Got some shower, maybe a few thunderstorms as well. Southeast, you're quiet right now. Over here around from Louisiana into Texas and all the way up into Missouri and southern Illinois and western Kentucky and Indiana. We have shower, thunderstorm developing. We got some severe weather. We got tornado watches in effect for Arkansas. Also over toward Mississippi and Louisiana. We have more mixed precipitation over here in the west, extending from Arizona all the way back up to Washington State. We got some showers along the coastal vicinity. Also, we got a little spin in the atmosphere of a shower of thunderstorms over here over Kansas and Nebraska as well. Texas, you look pretty quiet right now, so the storms have moved east of your area today, so quiet weather looks pretty quiet in your vicinity now. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the watches, warnings, and advisories across the nation. We're taking a look at winter storm watches and winter weather advisory for Maine and also portions of New Hampshire. Also, we got wind advisory extending from New York State all the way through Ohio, all the way back into Indiana, all the way back into portion of Alabama, and also over to western North Carolina. Flash flood watches, flash flood warnings, advisories extended over here in southern Illinois, over into Kentucky, back to Missouri. Also in Arkansas, we got a tornado watch, like I say, northern Louisiana through eastern Arkansas, much Mississippi, and western Tennessee. We got a few severe thunderstorm warnings and also a few tornado warnings as well in Arkansas. Also, we have red flag warnings extending from Texas all the way into Colorado. Also, we got winter storm warning, winter weather advisories over Montana through Wyoming, eastern Idaho, all the way back into a portion of Utah. We have some winter storm warning watches over here in portions of Washington State down into Oregon. We have winter storm warnings. Watches in effect for the mountain chains of California. Frost advisories in effect for Central California and also some along coastal area. A little pocket of wind advisory in your vicinity. Also, we have some winter storm warning and winter weather advisories for portion of Alaska as well. Alrighty, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for this evening, for this evening. We have general thunderstorm, pretty much what I told earlier today in the forecast earlier today. Still got general thunderstorms around it. General thunderstorms over here in portion of Nevada. Not Nevada, but New Mexico, Colorado, and Utah. Also over here in Washington State and Oregon State. Got some general thunderstorms there. Also, we have marginal risk of severe weather, slight risk, enhanced, and moderate risk in the vicinity here, extending from these Indiana back through portions of the mountains of western North Carolina, all the way back into Texas, surrounding vicinity. And you're welcome to pause the video to find out if your location are in the outlook area. Alright, the tornado probability for the remainder of tonight, 2% in the green, 5% in the brown, 10% in the yellow, 15% in the yellow in the hash/slashed area. The significant severe weather will be Memphis, Tennessee, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, Jackson, Mississippi, and Jackson, Tennessee. And you're welcome to pause the video and find out if you're in the tornado outlook in the area as well. Alright, the winds, 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow, 30% in the red, hash/slashed area. That's the significant winds. This will include Memphis, Tennessee, Little Rock, Arkansas, Clarksville, Tennessee, Jackson, Tennessee, North Little Rock, Arkansas. And you're welcome to pause the video and find out if your locations are in the 30, 15, or 5% outlook area. And let's take a look at the hail probability. 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow, and the hash/slashed area. That's the highest chance. Significant severe weather will be Shreveport, Louisiana, Bossier City, Louisiana, Pine Bluff, Arkansas, Monroe, Louisiana, and South Haven, Mississippi. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at day 2 outlook. Marginal risk of severe weather extending from Florida through Georgia and much of South Carolina. Also, we have some up here in Pennsylvania and also a portion of Ohio and West Virginia. I would not be surprised to see a few severe weather possible over here in portion of the Washington, D.C. area and the Maryland area as well. We got general thunderstorms in the lighter green, extending from New York State all the way back into eastern Louisiana, southeast Alabama, northern Florida, also Kansas and Nebraska. You got a few general thunderstorms in your area, and also some general thunderstorms over here in Oregon and Washington State. Okay, let's take a look at the tornado probability, 2%. This includes Columbus, Georgia, Tallahassee, Florida, Savannah, Georgia, Macon, Georgia, and Albany, Georgia. The wind probability will be 5% in the brown. This includes the cities of Atlanta, Georgia, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Columbus, Georgia, Tallahassee, Florida, and Savannah, Georgia. And the hail probability is 5%. And this includes areas of Atlanta, Georgia, Columbus, Georgia, Tallahassee, Florida, Savannah, Georgia, and Charleston, South Carolina. And finally, let's wrap up with the Storm Prediction Center outlook for day 3. We got general thunderstorms in the lighter green, marginal risk in the darker green. If you're in the marginal risk, this includes Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Montgomery, Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, Columbus, Georgia, and Jackson, Mississippi. And the probability is 5% in the brown, and the same areas is Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Montgomery, Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, Columbus, Georgia, and Jackson, Mississippi. And if you want to, before I go, let's see if we can get over to day 4 through 8. I got something to show you on day 7. We have another risk of severe weather coming up on day 7. A 15%. This is a slight risk extending from Nebraska Kansas through Oklahoma and also into central Texas. And this is a 15% area. This would be a slight risk. And if you're in this area, it would be Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tuscaloosa, Oklahoma, and Arlington, Texas. So I thought I'd throw that in there to let you see that as well. Alrighty, well, I hope everybody has a great evening. Stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Subscribe to my channel. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next one.